If reading your phone has started to feel like squinting, there's a 10-minute fix. No new glasses required. Let's do it together. This is one setting. You will not break anything. Let's go slowly. There's also a second trick at the end that makes everything even clearer. I'll show you that too. Open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. Now tap Text Size. Here's the important part. See this slider? Drag it slowly to the right. Watch the sample text above it grow as you go. Now, the second trick I promised. Go back, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and turn on bold text. This makes every letter a little thicker, a little easier to read. Let's remember the steps. Settings, Display and Brightness, Text Size, slide it over, and for extra clarity, bold text in Accessibility. That's it. Look at that. No more squinting. If this helped, I found something else on your phone almost nobody knows about. A button that could call for help all on its own. I'll show you next.